Hey everyone, welcome back to RZN Auto, your home for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into the first look at the 2026 Toyota Yaris Cross Hybrid, and trust me, this small SUV is packing some seriously big surprises. It's smarter, more stylish, and more efficient than ever, and it just might shake up the compact SUV game in a big way. Let's start with the exterior, because the 2026 model gets a major design update that immediately grabs your attention. Up front, the Yaris Cross now features a sharper, more premium-looking grille flanked by sleek full LED headlights. The new bumper is more sculpted, adding a bit of ruggedness to its otherwise city-smart vibe. The side profile hasn't changed much in size, but Toyota has added bolder character lines, chunkier wheel arches, and stylish new 17 or 18-inch alloy wheels, depending on the trim. The roof line still gently slopes toward the rear, keeping that sporty, compact crossover silhouette. Around back, the rear fascia now comes with redesigned taillights that stretch across the tailgate, a more cohesive and upscale look. The new rear bumper also adds a subtle hint of toughness, and overall, the stance feels more grounded and confident. Step inside and you'll immediately notice how much Toyota has elevated the interior experience. The dashboard now features a 12.3-inch digital driver display, giving you clean, high-resolution info right in front of you. The center stack is dominated by a new 10.5-inch touchscreen running Toyota's latest infotainment software, complete with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Everything feels tighter and better put together, with soft touch materials, contrast stitching, and even ambient lighting on higher trims. The cabin remains compact, but it's cleverly laid out, offering surprisingly good rear seat comfort and a generous cargo capacity of over 400 litres, which is more than enough for urban life or a weekend getaway. Now, under the hood, the Yaris Cross Hybrid uses Toyota's 5th-generation hybrid system. That means a 1.5-litre 3-cylinder engine paired with a more powerful electric motor and an upgraded battery. The output now reaches up to 130 horsepower, delivering smoother and quicker acceleration than before. Fuel efficiency gets a boost too, especially in city driving. And if you're looking for more grip, Toyota is offering an intelligent AWD system, which helps you handle wet or slippery roads without eating into your MPG. The driving feel has also improved. It's quieter, more responsive, and just feels more solid on the road. So, while the 2026 Yaris Cross may look small on the outside, it's packed with smart upgrades that make a huge difference. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or just want an efficient, tech-filled daily driver, this hybrid should definitely be on your radar. What do you think? Would you choose it over something like the Honda HR-V or VW T-Cross? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to RZN Auto for more fresh car content just like this. See you in the next one.